Assalamualaikum everyone. Today is our first class related to the subject Chinese language. To convert Chinese language into understandable form, we convert it into pinyin. And a pinyin syllable is formed by one initial, one final and a tone. Tone is always on the top of the final. Okay, it's not on the top of the initial, it is only on the top of the final. There are 5 tones into the Chinese language. Sometimes a syllable can also stand without initial. So the important part of a syllable is finals, not the initials, because a syllable can also stand without initials. So the next thing to understand, what are the tones in Chinese language? So there are 5 tones in Chinese language. The second tone is called as rising tone, falling, rising tone. And the fourth one is falling tone. And the last one is neutral tone. Now the question to my students' minds must be, why we call this tone as flat tone, this tone as rising tone, this tone as falling rising tone, falling tone and neutral tone? Why we call them like this? So there is a reason of calling or giving them these names. The way of pronouncing them is the reason of these questions. And the flat tone has a mark over it like this. Rising has a mark over this. Falling has a mark, falling rising. And falling has this. And the neutral has no mark. Flat tone has this mark because this mark is flat. And rising has this mark because this mark is rising like this. And falling rising is falling and then rising. Falling tone is coming down just like falling. And neutral has no mark, therefore it has name neutral. Now we are moving towards the lesson number 1 of the Chinese language. In this lesson, we will learn new words, their meanings, their pinyins, their tones, and some characters that we need to practice to learn Chinese language accurately. So the first word is Dajiakhao. How we will pronounce it? Dajiakhao. Why I am pronouncing it like this? Just because of the tones. It has a falling tone, it has a flat tone, and it has falling rising tone. Now if we split this word into 3 words. Why we are pronouncing it like this? Because A has a tone that is falling tone. The, like it is falling. The, j, because this is a flat tone over it. And the third one is falling rising. Pronounce it like this. Khao, the, khao. The meaning of this word is hello everyone. When we have to say hello everyone in Chinese language, we say as Dajiakhao. Pronounce with me. Dajiakhao. Now the last thing to learn about this word is how to write it in Chinese character. So we have to write this like this. Now I'm zooming these characters. Look over these characters. So what are these characters? Dajia, Khao. You have to practice these characters a lot so you would be able to write these characters easily. Look, you have to practice these characters just like this for many times, so you would be able to learn Chinese accurately. So let's move to the second word, that is Sheng Si. Why I'm calling it Sheng Si? Because it has a flat tone and a rising tone. If I split this word into two syllables like this, Sheng Si, look how I will pronounce it. Sheng Si. Sheng Si. The meaning of this word is new words. Whenever we have to say new words in Chinese language, we say as or we pronounce it as Sheng Si. Sheng Si. Sheng Si. Pronounce with me. Sheng Si. Sheng Si. So the third thing is the character of the word Sheng Si. The character of this word is like this. Here is the zoom captured video of the character Sheng Si. You have to practice these characters for many of the times. Third word is pigeon. Pigeon. Why I'm calling it pigeon? Because it has two flat tones. Pigeon. 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 The meaning of this word is spell phoneticize. How to pronounce it? Pigeon. Pronounce with me. Pigeon. Pigeon. And the character of this word is this. Here is the zoom captured video of the character pigeon. Next word is Yingwen Yisi. Yingwen Yisi. And the meaning of this word is English meaning. And the character of this word is here. So if I am splitting this into three words or three syllables, Ying means a flat tone, Wen rising tone, Yis means falling tone, Ying Wen Yis. So it's enough for today's class. We will learn the remaining lesson 1 into the next class, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.